Recording in progress. Okay, cool. So this is the USD JPY trade, okay, that hit my SL by 1 pip. Now, when you're looking at this, okay, when you're looking at this, you can see after it hit my SL by 1 pip, it hit my final, what was it? 46 pips. So my final TP was 46 pips. My SL was only 10 pips. So you can see it's a 4-1 juicy. You know, a 4-1 is very juicy to me. But unfortunately, it hit my SL by 1 pip. And it went even, look, it went even higher than my target. Like, my God. Now, the beautiful thing about this box here, yeah, this is what I love about it. I had a feeling that it's gonna come, hit my TP, whatever, come to this box and then pull back. Now you can see it went a bit above, pulled back, and then it went all the way up. But what's the beauty about this? Where did it come back to retest, guys? It came back to this exact box here to retest, to then shoot back up again. The power of marking up. Now, I don't even wanna, I mean, I would say, but a lot of you won't even understand why I've done the box. There are 1-2 people in here that will know, yeah? But I'll just give you the term. I saw a fair value gap on there. And I said, once it breaks it, it will definitely come back down there to test it, to then go back up. But because I haven't really been looking at the charts, I've missed this one. Because let's say if I would have seen this here, yeah? From here to here, how many pips? Come on, a juicy 50 pips. Nothing wrong with that. Yep, that's what I have been in. Okay, cool. So just to ask you a question, Zane, have you been in the buy for USD JPY?
Yeah. So basically, what happened? Yeah, I
Yeah.
kind of messed up in it. So when it touched
Okay.
the box,
Yeah.
um, when it touched the box,
Mhm.
I didn't buy it then. I bought it a bit after, which is fine.
Okay.
But because obviously I'm still getting to grips of lot size and that, I
Mhm.
was just moving. Like obviously, it went a bit lower.
Okay.
Let's say it went. I think let's say it went 15 pips down.
Mhm.
I'm already thinking, yeah, I'm done. So I'd come
Mhm.
out, then I see it going back. I'm like, come on. So I went back in.
Mhm.
Again, my brain done the same thing. So now it done a
Mhm.
mad pullback. So I
Okay.
went in again and I said, I'm not touching it. I'm like saying, stop doing some stuff. So I'm just not gonna touch it until it
Okay.
reaches my goal or my TP or SL. And I even used the thing Pat was talking about. I even downloaded that Stinu to actually look at
That
the
one's
risk
the best.
management.
Yeah, it's the
Because
best.
I don't, because and then I deeped it. I said, I just deeped it. Sorry if we're gonna tangent. I'm like, fam, I'm risking, even if I risk 20 pips, yeah, 25 pips,
Mhm.
I know if I know I can put in 1%, risk 25 pips, I know what to go in. So now
Exactly.
I've gone in like that with
Mhm.
this one, I'm confident. I'm not even I'm just comfy. So even if it goes down, I know if
You
I
know how
lose
much
my
you're
SR, I'm
losing.
losing max
Yeah.
1%. That's
Yeah.
fine. And
Yeah.
if I win, I got 4%. So it's
Absolutely.
cool now. It's absolutely fine. Like I feel like for me trading going forward, I need to do that every time, especially using lot
Absolutely.
size we're not used to because it just you don't need to stress. You're not gonna take out your
Yeah.
thing, anxiety, all of
Yeah.
that rubbish. It's just this, that, bam.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And the way I see it as well, like it's a very strong point that you mentioned. And I'm so gutted that some of the people that really need to hear this are not on here. When it comes to the trading journey, it's all about risk management, you know. People think, all right, cool, like let me just use this lot size. Let me use, let's say, a 2.00, yeah. And oh my God, like, oh, if it goes down 15 pips, that means I'm blowing my account. No way. Once you use Steno and you tell them your account size and you put in how much percent you want to lose, then you're, as you said already, you're comfortable because you know if it hits your SL, this is the max that you lose in 1%. So it gives you other opportunities to enter the trade again. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Mm.
So
And sorry, what made it worse as well? When I'm what I was risking when
yeah.
I'm taking my L,
Mhm.
it wasn't even 1%. It was less than that.
Look
It's
at
just
that.
that because it's a bigger account,
Yeah.
I'm thinking the numbers going crazy. You get it?
Yeah. 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 So it's like
So
half a percent or something that you even
yeah, I'm
risk.
thinking exactly, and I'm there stressing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know now. Use
Yeah.
that. You're good. Like me now, I'm comfortable.
Comfy. Comfy.
Hmm.
100%. 100%. And that's what it's about. That's why, like, this is what I try to let people deep from the beginning. Don't stress yourself too much. If you do things accordingly, I'm telling you, life is juicy. You're gonna be calm. It's called Stino. Let me write it for you. Stinu, Stino. Okay.
I think you might have to pay for it though, but I think it's like £4 or something.
After
Not a
it's like,
lot.
yeah, it's like 15 quid for the whole year. It's like £15 for the whole,
Yeah.
but it's hella worth it. Hella worth it. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes when I'm in I want to go into some trades. For example, this trade here, yeah, where I only had a 10 pip SL and 46 pips TP. It told me that I could use all 28 lot, 28.00. Come on. Do you get it? Like, what? 28 lot, you know. So this is what I'm saying to you. Stino, game changer. Absolute game changer. But I'm happy that you mentioned it, Zayn, because that will help a lot of people, like for real, for real. Now, you see with this one, okay, so are you still in the game? Are you still in the trade?
Yeah, I'm trying. Obviously, when I look at, it's a buying trend in it on the daily, so I'm probably gonna hold it until minimum that 144 mark, a bit higher up.
You say 144, like I in,
Oh, 140.4, sorry. But
yeah.
that's only what I can see on there. But I don't know if I can hold it for long. Wait, if you zoom out or go on a larger time, yeah, maybe to I'll just say 1.4. Let's say 1.45 for now, because I don't know.
What, 14?
1.405, sorry. Like
1,
140.5.
okay, like somewhere around here, yeah. So you
Yeah,
prefer to like create a higher high, basically.
yeah,
Okay, nice one. You see when you do that, while it's climbing up, I'm going to do that. What I want you to do is trail your stop loss. Just trail your
yeah.
stop loss with it, and you'll be good. Trust me. You know
Cool,
what I'm saying?
cool.
Yeah, man, because I've realized with some trades, yeah, what you would do is you wait, thinking it's gonna come do higher highs, and then it comes somewhere around here, boom. Next thing you think, oh my god, why did I not take partials? You see what I'm trying to say? So
Yeah.
with that one, yeah, don't forget to trail your stop, and you'll be good. You'll be all right. Yeah, splendid. Splendid, splendid, splendid. So what I wanted to show you about this trade, guys, is yes, it hit my SL, yeah, by 1 pip. And then it went my way heavily. But that's how trading goes. I'm not there to sit on there and be like, oh my God, why did this happen to me? Let it go. Execute another one. You see what I'm trying to say? And this is what I want you to understand. It's more a mental thing than making money. You're not here to make money. It's the knowledge. You understand? So what I want to know, who else? Let me just check quickly. USDJPY. David, was you in the buy as well, or was you selling USDJPY?
No, I jumped in the buy. I think what I saw it come to. I had a line at 139.305, and I saw it come to it, and I think I must have just scrolled back, look at the history, look at how it reacts to the line, and I
Lovely.
was like, yeah, it looks like it's gonna buy. So I literally just caught it around like
Splendid.
just around when it started touching. So I was like, yeah, running straight for the buy there.
Splendid. And what made you do a line at 139.305?
I'll be honest, bro, I can't even remember. It's one of them ones that I had done from like time ago, and I just seen it come to it, and then I looked back and I was like, okay, the
Legend.
history also reflects it.
Legend. Absolute legend. Absolute legend. Okay, 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 okay. Look at these little silent snipers. I hear you. Okay. I love it. I love it.
Nah, hey, I did mention the gold, and literally when I mentioned the gold, that's when the gold did the mad thing.
I saw it. I saw it. And I was thinking, this guy is turning into a trading profit as well, you know. Crazy. This
Try to
is
be like you, bro.
this is what I'm saying. That the more you look at the charts, the more you put the grind in. I'm telling you, it becomes a game. Like I'm not lying, man. It becomes a game. You know what I'm saying? Okay, then,
Mhm.
okay. So what I love already, both of you were in the right direction. Okay, so that's splendid. Nice one. Me, obviously, after hitting my SL, I didn't look for no re-entries. I could have done, but listen, oh well, happens. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm trying to show you guys. Don't dwell on your trades. If you lost it, you lost it. Yeah, I lost like 1% on this trade on my overall account. Does it itch me? It's not even itching me a tiny bit. You see what I'm trying to say? So what I could do now, yes, of course, I can go to lower time frames and then see what it's doing right now and then try to catch it again. But USD JPY, the time it is right now, I'll wait till tomorrow. That's just me personally. I'll just wait till tomorrow now. Okay, let's see. The next one was, let's see. So Zane and David said USD JPY, Michael and Godwin GU. Okay. GBP USD. Okay. Oh, why did I have a line there? Wait, why did history repeats itself, Abby. History repeats itself, Abby. Okay. The power of marking up. There is no way. I told people, why did I do my... Do you know what I realized? I'm an insane trader, you know. I just have to say how it is. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you have to just clap for yourself and big up yourself. Because I've put this here and I remember I went for the sell once it came back here. Once it done this Judas thing, came here and I went for the sell nicely. And then it came on there. Nice sell. Okay, cool. So GBP USD. Let me ask Michael first. Michael, what was you in? Buy, sell? Because both ways today you could have made good money, but tell me, my brother, what was you doing?
I was buying.
You was buying, yeah?
I was buying, but it took me out before going up.
It done you dirty.
Yeah.
Done you dirty. So
Literally.
you see, when you went for the buy, what made you comfortable? What gave you confidence to enter the buy? What were your confluences?
It was that previous high.
And what time frame did you look at?
I was looking at it 4 hours.
Okay. You
can see just that fair value gap just above, I believe it. No, below. Down. Yeah,
that one.
Yeah.
So basically, did you start? So you said you went in for a buy, right?
Yes.
So did you enter the buy from?
Yeah, that level. Yeah, just by that start of that. Yeah.
Okay.
But it waked me up before going up.
So your SL was too close.
Yeah, it was tight. Yeah.
Was tight. Okay. What was your SL? How many pips?
I need to check. Let me see that. I believe it was around 15 pips.
15 pips.
Max? Yeah.
Yeah, 15 pips. Okay, that's splendid. Now let me ask you a question. 15 pips. When you were setting your SL, did you go to a lower time frame? Or did you just look at the hour 4 and 4? Let me just check 15 minutes from there. 15 pips from there.
I think I can go to the 1 hour because I saw some. Yeah, you see those weak that were reacting there. Yeah, those ones. Yeah. So I placed mine just below that one, but it went. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So that was it.
You see, with that, I'm not gonna lie to you, Michael. It's just one of them days. That one, there's no rocket science. I'm coming to tell you something crazy. Things like that happen sometimes. Like, to me, you didn't do anything wrong. You were at the right direction. It was just one of them unfortunate moments there. You calculated 15 pips. You probably knew exactly how much you wanted to lose on that trade. So in regards to that one, not even a problem. What I would say when things like that happen, then when it does go your way, have a look at when it does pullbacks for you to then just find re-entries nicely. Yeah, unless obviously you used your max percentage that you can have for the day, then I would say, okay, just chill, just relax for now. But hearing what you're saying, you didn't do anything wrong there. It was just one of them days, my brother. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Come on, we got this.
Definitely.
110%, man. Like, I'm not even worried about you, man. Definitely. Now, Godwin, I can see you said GU as well. Were you in the buy or in the sell?
I was in the buy. I've been waiting for it since Friday, to be honest. Because I couldn't catch what was it? I couldn't catch the sell. I saw it doing the well, I wouldn't even call it really a proper Judah swing, but I saw it liquidating the Asian range.
What is it? Is it this that you saw? Is it you saw?
No. Go up, because I started looking at it from yesterday.
From yesterday, yeah?
Yeah. So you need to go a bit more forward.
Okay. Yesterday. Today's Monday.
Today is the 5th, yeah.
It's the 5th. Okay, so obviously from when it opened.
Yeah, exactly. So when it's open,
Huh?
I saw it doing that movement. So if you go on the 30-minute. No, actually, I'm wrong. So on Friday, it did this Judah swing, sold all the way. Then as soon as I saw it selling, I put my Fibonacci from what was it, 1.2346 to 1.25411, because I was doing it on the higher time frame. And then I saw that GU normally comes to the either to the 70 or to the 79.
Right.
So what I did is that I looked at the same fair value gap Michael was looking at. The difference I did is that I've realized that sometimes it hits the 50% of the fair value gap for it to be fully mitigated.
Right.
So I did a 50 split with a Gantt. I don't know how you call it. What's the name? It's called Gantt box. So I utilized the Gantt box, did a 50% of the fair value gap, and I put my entry exactly at 50%. And I did, funny enough, I did exactly 50 pips SL as well as Michael. But my luck is that I entered on the 50% of that fair value gap and not from the top.
So you
And that's something I've been
low.
Yeah, so it went really close to it, and I was looking at it, sweating, and I saw it going. I was like, "Thank you, Jesus."
Come on. Come on. You see, and I love what you and Michael just highlighted there. And this goes out to everyone. What I used to do, and I'll be very transparent to everyone, to the listeners as well. When I used to see that a trade, okay, let's say my SL is here. Let me make it red so everyone is with me, okay? Let's say my SL is here, okay? Let me just highlight this a bit bigger. Okay, let's say this is my SL. What I used to do when I used to see it coming close to my SL and it's going down, what I used to do is I used to be like, oh no, let me just move the SL a bit further down. Let me just move. Hey, I was moving crazy. Let me just move a bit. Let me just move it. Let me just. Account gone. I was so scared to see losses that what I try to do is prevent losses, not knowing that I'm even going deeper into losses. This thing that I was doing there, maybe out of 10 trades, 2 trades it helps. The other ones is changed to a downtrend. So why am I moving my SL down with it? So what I loved about what you and Michael just portrayed there is that Michael said is hit my SL, and that's that. He could have easily said to hit my SL. Now I'm going in double the lot size. Anything. No, you stopped there. With you had your SL somewhere near there as well. You could see, okay, it was probably like this, yeah? You could see that the trade was coming down, and you're like, man, I can see that it's going to go up sometime. But you still had faith in your trade. You left it, and then from here, what did it do? Bam, went your way heavily. Now, this is what I'm trying to tell you. That's why it's so important. When you're in the trade, just trust it, even if it goes the other way. Because this is what builds your self-esteem if it goes your way. If it doesn't go your way, it shouldn't decrease your self-esteem, but it should make you think, what did I do different? Maybe, do you know what? Let me just zoom out. Okay, I see that. Oh, sometimes it comes to this area. Okay, it comes to this area here, played a bit. Okay, it looks like a POI area. Okay, let me see what I can do different next time. And these are the times where you come up with great results. So Michael and Godwin, thank you very much. I can see you guys going ham in the funded group. You know, for all you people that are listening, we have another group for funded traders, for the people that have funded accounts. Okay. In case you have any questions in regards to funded accounts, now is the time to ask me as well, and I'll answer you questions. But they're going hard, man. They're going hard. The reason why they're going super hard on there as well is that me, but especially Pat, she wants to see them actually get super payouts. You know what I'm saying? Like, she wants them to pass phase 1, phase 2, and get super payouts. So this is why we push the people in there differently as well. So well done, guys. I like the way you push each other as well. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep on going. Let's keep on growing. Seriously. Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. I mean, I know from Zane, Godwin, Michael, that Pat is doing an absolutely amazing job. Like, sometimes when I'm on the go, I look, and the way she explains and answers the questions and pushes Michael, Godwin, and Zane. Yeah, guys, I'm looking out for a buy. What are you saying? Boom. Like, serious. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I haven't seen any academy that does things like that. You know what I'm saying? So big up to Pat. Big up to the people also pushing her to do greatness. You know what I'm saying? For real. Yeah. She's doing bits, bro. She's doing, as I said, she's putting me under pressure because now she's making my type of money, which is crazy. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm the man, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm the man. So, you know,
Bro, I already told you, don't even try to compete. Like, I'm live.
It's peak, bruv. It's peak in the town.
It's something else. It's no, crazy.
It's peak. You know, even today, she gave an amazing heads up for GBP USD buy as well. I can see she entered she entered her first trade at, let me turn that into green. Okay. First trade, she entered at 1, 2, 3, 8, 2, 0. Where's that? She even entered here. She even only entered there. Okay. So right now she's up, because I know she's still in the trade. She is up. Where is it now? Oh, it's here, yeah? 45 pips. 45 pips is good. But what we shouldn't forget is the lot sizes that she uses. 45 pips is a good amount of money. Let's just keep it like that. Okay. What are the steps I need to take, Lord? I feel like a newbie. Margaret is one of the ladies that's been with me for longer than some of you in here. And she feels like a newbie, in it. 100%. Margaret, as in, what are the steps you need to take in regards to a funded account, or you mean in general to get back into the groove of trading?
Well, I was talking about in regards to the funded account. Into the groove, I've been like looking at charts and doing the little bits that I need to do to just get the feeling and get my feet wet again.
Yeah. Okay, now I heard that. In regards to the funded account, what I will always say is, I would say this: get comfortable trading again. Yeah, get comfortable trading. And when I say that, I'm even saying just put any little money into your account and get the groove of it hitting SL, it hitting TP. Because what I realized with some people, they're so eager in getting funded accounts, and they just rush the process and straight away fail. Because they feel like they need to pass it straight away, not knowing that you have 30 days for phase 1 and you have 60 days for phase 2. So phase 1 is you have to make 8% of the overall account. Okay. And they give you 30 days. And you're not allowed to go below 5% of the account. Okay. If not, the account is gone. And what most people do, they just want to pass it straight away, 1-2 days. Take your time. So I would say, get used to trading again, hit a few TPs, a few SLs, get the emotion bit right, get your mindset right. And then once you have your mind right, then you can be like, okay, let me go for the funded account now. And what I would do is I would probably go for the minimum funded account, which is 10 or 25K, and I'll try past that. Because if not, there's no point, because you just purchase a funded account, lose it, purchase, lose it, And you know what I mean? In that way, that money that you purchase in the funded account with, you could have put it in your own account, triple it first, and then get your funded account. So I would say, yeah, get back in the groove of entering trade, see how it feels again, and then we take it from there, if that makes sense.
Yeah, thank you. What are people saying? Are they getting big payouts and that? Yeah.
Yo, they're getting there. They're getting there. They're getting there. They're definitely getting there.
Love to see it. Love to see
trust me, man. That group there, I can see bids. I can see Michael super on it. God super, Zaid super on it. And what these guys don't understand is they're teaching me a lot as well. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like when you've been trading for a while, it's like you have your own way. But then when fresh, it's like fresh air coming in and saying, I'll do this different, that different. So it's everyone is taking something. And what I love about this as well is the people that are in the funded group here, they are the serious people. You get it? They're like proper serious. So every day, I don't even need, you see how in our main chat, sometimes I need to come and be like, oh, it's been dry in here. No one is saying anything. In there, because they seen what trading is doing,
yeah.
Hungry. You see it?
Yeah.
And that's the reason, as bad as it may sound, that's the reason why in the main chat, I don't really put effort in, because I'm like, if people are really hungry, they will just come and make it happen. Like, how many times do I have to show them my personal account, like with fat money in there? Like, what else do they need to see? Do I need to flash my car? And do I have to show them what, you know what I mean, what kicks I got? I don't know what to do. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's why I'm so happy that this funded group, like the people that are in there, are just going ham, super ham. So yeah, man, like you see, Margaret, once you're in the group, you see the energy I'm talking about. Crazy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Okay, cool. Gold. Okay. Gold. Yeah. Okay, you done that. Lovely. Said it's gonna break it. Pull back. Once it pulls back into here, I would buy. Why did I not enter it? Because I wasn't on the charts. Minor. At least my theory is working, so God is good. Who said gold? Godwin again. Gold, what are you in, sir?
So I entered, what did I enter? I entered right from below 1940 .17. So right from the bottom right there. Yeah, I entered the buy from there. And I've been riding it. Still going. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to hit that fair value gap around what? Around 1967. Yeah. And then I'm out. Even though I know it has potential. Well, if you look at the 4 hour, you could tell that it's probably gonna go a tiny bit higher than that, but I'm not gonna stretch it. As soon as you hit my take profit, I'm out.
Listen, I can't even see your account, but I know the money that's floating right now is juicy, bro. Even Stevie Wonder can tell you this. Yeah, let's not get it twisted. You know me, I'm not silly, bro. I know it's gold, and look from where you entered, and it's at 161, 1961. My brother, I don't even need to see the account to know that it's shining. Now,
bro, we need to get it. We need to make it back, man. We need to get it. Because I feel what a lot of people don't see is that with myself, I've gone the hard way, and you know, I've tried different type of strategies as well, and I'm finally in a place where I'm really comfortable with my routine and the type of job I do as well. It's like I can wake up really early, look at the chart, understand what it's gonna do, set it up, and then go about and do my job. So it's great, man, and yeah, we appreciate you as always. You know that. Love, man.
I appreciate you too, my guy. And this is what I love hearing, because as I said, man, Godwin working full time, just got married, just bought his new house. The stress is mad. Like, please don't think he's just at home doing nothing and, you know what I'm saying, he just got his laptop there, like, you know what I'm saying? No, this guy is still fully involved in a lot of things. Where I realized that Godwin is actually crazy. Yeah. And do you remember what people say? In order for us to see that this person really wants it, you have to have crazy faith. It's when he says, I'm taking off a week to just concentrate on trading. Jesus Christ. Like, what is going on? I'm taking off a week to just concentrate on trading. Let's just keep it. let's just deep it. And then people say, yeah, work is stressful. I understand, but there comes a time where you have to understand that in order for you to be great, you have to take great sacrifices. So there's no way you're going to slave for another man's dream for 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever, and you're not coming to slave for your own dream where you can't see. Oh boy, let me not start preaching right now. Do you get it? So Godwin, bro, like, I seen the grind. Bro, you booked hella one-to-ones with me. And with the one-to-ones, you ask the maddest questions, and that's why you trade the way you trade. Simple as that. You know, simple as that. You invest, hey, it's crazy. Godwin, bam, yeah, from the get-go, okay, how much is the lifetime membership? It's 500. Okay, boom, pay me the 500. Ask me enough questions. Okay, coach, so why do you do this? Why do you do that? Sorry to bother you. I know you're probably sleeping. This guy is typing his questions already before he goes to sleep. So he knows when I wake up, I'll read and I'll reply. I'll reply to him. If I'm not available, he goes to Pat. If Pat's not available, comes to the group. Bam, 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 bam. What did he do? Put 80 pounds in his account the first week, turned it into 684. Made his lifetime membership money back. So basically, he paid nothing for the lifetime membership. That's what you call super grinding. There's nothing I got to say to no one. Jesus Christ. You feel me? And that's it. So that's why now, when he's explaining certain stuff or he's saying certain stuff, a lot of you do mannequin challenge because you're thinking, what is he talking about? Gen chart? Like, what's going on? Oh my God, like, I don't know what he's saying. SSL. What's SSL? Sell side liquidity? What's sell side liquidity? What is this guy talk? FVG? Fair value gap? Prince, what's this Godwin guy saying? He's saying I grinded. That's what he's saying. Now, another thing that I've also seen on here, Godwin, you're the only one that gave me the gold, is yes, okay, it's all good. We've seen all the buys. It's doing all the buys. Yeah, it's doing all the buys. Yeah. It's doing all the buys, all the buys, all the buys. Yeah, lovely. Now, this is why I say we wait for the trade to come to us. We don't chase trades. Why was I so comfortable to look at this and go for the buy? Two factors. Just came to this bit here. Bought, pull back to here. So what formation can we see on here? Can anyone tell me? I can't really see properly. If anyone can help me there, what formation is that?
W formation.
Thank you very much. So you see the W formation, and then you can see what, a few wicks. What's that telling me already? A few wicks. Selling power is not really there now. Selling power is not really there no more. Rejection. So first confluence, W formation. Second confluence, rejection. Some people like to use the word support. I like to use the word demand. Okay, demand area. So you can see there's a little bit of rejection there. Not only that, now, should I just drag it to the left? Should we just have a quick look? Should we? Let's have a quick look. Drag it to the left. Where did it come back to go for the buy? Please. Godwin, help us out. Where did it come to?
To the fair value gap.
I'm done. Trading is simple, but it's not easy. Let me say that. A lot of people will look at this and be like, oh, why did they come here and do a W? Oh my God, I don't know. Yeah, oh, do you know what? Probably because there were more buyers in this. It hasn't got nothing to do with that. There was a fair value gap from here to there, okay? Which it never mitigated. It went all the way up. Me, myself, I would have been like, I'm waiting for it to come all the way. What did it do? Came into the fair value gap here. What would I do? Put my SL. Maybe to be on the safe side, I'll put it somewhere down there or down here. But if it's come to my fair value gap, it shouldn't really come below it anyways. So if anything, I'll put my SL somewhere there. Let me make it red. And then, so what confluence have I got? I've done a W formation, double bottom, It's come to my demand zone. It's come to the fair value gap. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. And that's it. That is it.
Prince, can I say something as well? Another thing that on this one, because I was on the sell on Friday. So when I was on the sell from Friday, I think where did I enter on Friday on the sell? I think I entered the sell from 1975. But that is just because I'm really implementing the Asian range and you know the whole Judas swing and all of that kind of stuff. Even though it wasn't a fully Judas swing, because you know the second pick didn't really sort of liquidate the first one.
Correct.
But the reason why I entered the sell on that one is because there were so many, you know, that other block down there. I was timing it. I was like, it needs to go and mitigate that. So when it got there, another thing that I saw on Friday, I saw the other block on the 1 hour at around 1964. As soon as I saw that other block on the 1 hour, that the green one with the fair value gap for me was like gone. Like I didn't even really like when David said buy on gold, I was already like I've already hit gold, because when you see that other block with so much fair value gap already there, you know that price needs to go there and mitigate it regardless.
Absolutely.
So that's yes, ICT, man.
Oh, serious, man. Trust me. And this is what I'm saying. Like the way I started to trade is it has ICT concepts in there as well. You know what I'm saying? But what you have to understand, and this goes to everyone listening, you really have to know about your trading strategy before you can even come and implement another one trading strategy into your own strategy, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what it is. Because I remember when me and Godwin had a few one-to-ones, he was like, yeah, I'm watching this ICT person, and bro, it's like exactly the same things that you tell us, but he just goes a bit deeper. I was like, that's exactly what it is. That's exactly what it is, you know? So I'm really, 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 really proud of you guys, man. Super, super proud. Because I'm not gonna lie, man. If it wasn't like, I have to keep it very, very true. If it wasn't for like Zayn and like the Godwins and the Michaels and the Amos sometimes coming in and giving Vim in the chat, my group would have been dead. You know what I'm saying? Because you lot always come keep it up nicely. You know, I know Amos got like a crazy drop as well, but he still comes in, still gives fire and that. Like, I really, really appreciate it. And trust me, with me, I'm watching it. I see. And the things that I'm gonna do for my people that are pushing, you lot won't be able to even talk for the things that I've got like planned for you guys that are really, really pushing the thing. Just remember, I told you that. Remember, I told you that I'm gonna make you cry. Everyone is listening to me on YouTube as well. I'm gonna make a few people on my academy cry because they deserve what I'm going to give them. Yeah, remember I told you. Now, yeah, because don't think that everything that you're doing is you're just doing it for no reason. I'm here and I'm watching. I can see. You know what I'm saying? Euro USD. Euro USD. Right. Let's not talk about Euro USD. Eesh. Into the order block here. From here, start buying. And then why did I think that from here it will start selling again? He said, I just want to be like you. I want to be like you, Amo, man. Living up in Dubai. Spending like 10 to 15K, my guy. It's crazy, you know? Jesus Christ. I want to be like you. In the bath, getting fed with AE grapes. I love it. So yes, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. Wait, how long we got left? We've got 8 minutes left. This guy, trust me, have you not seen Amos' Instagram thingy, his story? He's in the bath, yeah? A lot of steam, and his wife is just giving him grapes. Come on. Living it up, B. I want to be like him, you know. With me, all I can afford is Tottenham, Hackney, Tottenham Hill, you know, Brixton. Trust me, it's not easy. But yeah, What's the one trade I wanted to share with you guys? Was it GBP JPY? Okay, yeah, done this. Okay, it's done exactly what I expected it to do. Let's see. Where did I tell the academy to buy it from? It was it was on when was it? The 5th of May. Okay. Was it the 5th of May? Yeah, it was the 5th of May. Okay, so from the 5th of May, went here, done an M, came back here, liquidate this bit, and just kept on going up. Okay. Now, actually, I'm not going to talk about GBP JPY. That's right, now it's a bit choppy. Let's talk about BTC. Has anyone, I remember, David, you used to be the guy when it comes to BTC. Have you stopped looking at it now? David.
I can't lie. I haven't looked at BTC for a second still.
That one, I think it might be worth it to look at it again, you know?
Okay.
To be very, very honest, I mean, obviously, it's done all of that. Okay, it's done the lower high, lower low business came, done a chuck here, and then, you know, or Uda swing, and then after that came and took out this low nicely. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So I'm giving you a big hint here already. If it's the lower high, lower low, it's coming down Judas here, but then it came back to take this low out. What is it that you're looking out to do what? So it's coming here to take this low out, yeah? And it's doing this. So what are you looking out for? This question goes yeah, David, go and tell me.
It looks like a downtrend, isn't it, right now?
So you personally, yeah, after you see this doing this now, what is it that you would do? This hasn't got anything to do with right or wrong answer. What is it that you would do once you see this?
Straight away, I'm putting the line where it is now. I'm going to 4 hours scrolling back, then going to daily as well, just to see what the history is like. And I can already see like it's reached a point. You see that red line, towards the right. I can already see it's come to a similar point, and it looks like you see where you put the change of character.
Yeah.
Initially, you see that particular. It's as if it's coming there, like even the one before that where it's like it drops just slightly below it. So it seems like it's constantly hitting that area and bouncing back up. But this one seems like it's gone even further. It's a tricky one because it could go either way. My thinking is that it will go back towards 119K. Just looking at the buy is looking like it's weakened over the time, and now it looks like it's pushing down for a sell, but it keeps reacting to that 25K, which makes me question it. So I'd observe it, but I'd want it to break it well kind of thing.
Absolutely.
Do you know what I'm saying?
100%. So what I would do in your case now, because I see exactly what you're looking at and why you are contemplating, because you see that it's come to the similar area, and from there it always jumps back up. So what I would do in your case is I look at this here, I go to 25. Okay, put a line there. Because with trading, it's all about patience anyways. And then in your case, what you can do, you can wait for it to come and break it fully, yeah? And then obviously once it breaks it, then you can wait for a little pullback, come into a fair value gap or imbalance or whatever, and then you can go for the nice sell. Because with what I realized when you were explaining to me, you looked at the 25 mark and you could see that it's playing around there, and from there it can actually come there and go back up, right?
Yeah.
Because when we're looking at this as well, I know Godwin was probably saying it behind the screen or mute. I can see a fair order block. It's
You know me, man.
Come on, straight. You know what I'm saying? I know that you're waiting to say, listen, there's an order block there. And that's what I'm saying, David. What you said is very vital and very true. Because once it comes to this bit here, what it can actually do, just hit our order block, okay? And then from here, shoot back up as well. Or can come and say exactly what you said. Go past it, pull back, and then carry on.
Yeah.
So you can go both ways. So what I would like you to do, to look at both perspectives. What you done there was perfect. That's why I made you explain it. And this is what I'm saying. Yeah, this goes to show what I was just doing is just testing you, because it goes to show that it doesn't matter how long you looked at a currency, the knowledge that you gained already, that's more than enough to know what to do. And that's exactly what you just highlighted here. You see what I'm saying? You looked at factors, you looked at, okay, now let me go to 4 hour, let me go to daily, let me scroll back. Okay, I can see that it's come to an area where it can be a POI, a point of interest area. So I would rather wait for it to break it. If it comes in and doesn't break it, then what I will do is I'll probably just go with the flow and go with the buy, but then trail my SL with it. So what you highlighted there was perfect, bro. Proud of you.
No, safe, bro.
100%, man. Come on. You know what I'm saying? So with that, guys, as I said, man, let's use the group and big each other up. Just know a lot of you, or let me see on here. It's not even a lot of you. Like most of you on here in the lifetime group, you're in here for life. Like we're in here for life. So why not use the chat to make it happen for each other? Like, I wish, yeah, when I was in your position, that first of all, I had a wavy guy that's teaching me as well, you know what I'm saying? To make it clear, you know what I'm saying? Get me. Because that brother that was teaching me, he didn't know anything. Yeah? No, but on the level, seriously now, I wish I had a group like this, man. God-fearing women and men who are coming here to make it happen, to enhance the kingdom. Are you crazy? Go to any trading academy and see if that exists. And not only that, just to make it even better, all of you know me on a personal level. It's not a thing where people had to research me and find me and they're thinking it could be dodgy. And you guys know me on a personal. So that's why sometimes I'm even more baffled. I'm like, these guys know me and they're still in the group and they're still playing Mannequin Challenge. Oh my God. You get me? So yeah, man. Definitely make it happen. Wow. Amo said he's in the cell since 77. Hectic. So you've been in the cell since you've been in the cell from here. Oh my God. Quality. Top class, man. That's what you call top bins. Vinke. Krank. Get me? Man, to say it in 3 languages is crazy. Well done. And this is what I love seeing. People that didn't know anything about trading, yeah, anything, nothing, zero, coming here and doing their own trades and having entries like this. If that can't show you that God is moving, I don't know what can, you know, seriously. So yes, guys, man, I hope you really enjoyed the session. God bless you. Let's keep on going. You know, you guys know I'm riding for you, each and every one. You know what I'm saying? For everyone that came on this session, like who you see at Chelsea, Godwin, Margaret, Michael, David, Amo, Zayn. I root for you guys. Let's make it happen, man. Let's make it happen. You get me? I love it. I love the energy. I love you guys. Come into the Telegram group, hype each other up. Let's push each other. It's needed each and every day. You know how they say renew your mind on a daily basis? That's how you should treat the trading. Come into the training on a daily basis with a renewed mind, and let's make it happen, man. God bless you. Stay shining. I appreciate you. We'll do another session tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we do another live session. Maybe go into a trade as well. You get it? Yeah. One love. Stay shining. Ooh, come on. You already know. Blessed.